Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a new mod for the boat, and it is, well, let me show you guys. Here's the box. It is coil packs from RIPP Superchargers. From what I've heard is that they help you gain a few more horsepower. On the website they have 2 dyno videos, and they threw them on I think 2 stock Scatpacks, or one was an RT, I can't remember. And they both gain like 20-25 rear wheel horsepower supposedly. I don't know if it's true, but they do have good reviews on their website. And I also follow this one guy on Instagram and YouTube who has them, and he says he can feel a difference. He hasn't dynoed it yet, but supposedly he can feel the difference once you install these. So let's find out, and hopefully it's not I didn't waste my money on them for them not to do anything. But let's install them. I'm here with my boy Beto, aka my boy who helps me with car parts. He's gonna help me install the coil packs. Beto, where do they go?
Right here, not too far.
Arm's length.
Yeah.
So you just pull up the pin?
Yeah, there's like this little red clip. It's a safety clip, and you push the little button in there. You have to push really hard.
Oh, I like the little popping noise. So it looks like to remove the last coil pack, you gotta remove the intake. Damn, I remember that was a bitch to put on.
Yeah, kind of was.
You'd probably have to loosen this one up.
Yeah, you're right.
God damn.
I remember we had to do a whole lot of work for that. Just baby tools.
I need a new one. There you go. I bought a sticker and it came with these. I don't think it matters which one goes where, huh? They're all basically the same.
Yeah, they all do the same
thing.
thing.
So here's the brand new one, RIPP Superchargers. Here's the OEM. Dirty as fuck. Oh, this one feels a little bit lighter. Yeah. Coil packs on this side installed. High performance Hemi coil pack. Nice. These are man hands.
Unfortunately. I fucking hate these covers.
This is the end result. Looking pretty nice. Struggling with the covers, I see.
I hate them. Never liked them.
I took them off once, and then putting them back wasn't too hard. At least for me. I just know where the hole is.
Yeah, usually.
Boom. So at least to install this coil pack, we had to take off the intake a little bit, wiggle it in there, wiggle it in. Con huevos.
Alright. There you go.
Let's start.
Let's see. Alright, no check engine light. Is it me? Does it smell more like gas?
as you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but it does have a check engine light. And I have a few thoughts as to why. Mainly because I think I'm gonna have to get the car retuned just for the coil packs. But more on it in a little bit. Okay, so that check engine light has nothing to do with the coil packs. We forgot to reconnect a cable that goes into the cold air intake, and the code that pops up has to do with that. So I'm thinking after a while it's gonna clear. So that has nothing to do with the coil packs, FYI. Yeah, just ignore that. Holy shit. What the fuck? Alright guys, so as you can see from that pull I did, fuck. Like that, I could actually feel a difference. I didn't think it was true, but you could actually feel a difference when you actually step down on the gas pedal, wide open throttle. When I stepped on it, it actually threw me into the back of my seat, which hasn't really happened. Like my car is like modified and it's fast and all that, but it hasn't been like, oh, like it's thrown me like that. So obviously the coil packs does make a difference. You actually feel it when you're really stepping on it. So is it really worth the price? Maybe, maybe not. I wouldn't happen to know how if you actually gain horsepower without dynoing it, and I'm not gonna dyno my car anytime soon just because I still want to add more modifications to it. But you can definitely feel the difference on it. All right, so as you guys saw in the video, with the pull I did, it actually made a difference. You could actually feel the difference between the stock coil packs and then the aftermarket coil packs. And yeah, just ignore the check engine light. It's because we forgot a cable that goes into the cold air intake, and so that's what the code was. It's for the cold air intake, so just ignore that. It wasn't because of the coil packs. But back to it, is it worth the $500 price tag? I'm not too sure. Maybe I could feel like a noticeable difference because my car has like other modifications to it, and if your car is stock, I don't know if you would feel that big of a difference. But damn, like I stepped on it and it fucking threw me into the back seat. I got spooked. I'm like, oh shit. Like before the coil packs, like if I would step on it, like yeah, like my car would like pull me back and stuff. But when I stepped on it here, I was like, oh shit, like damn, okay. But that's about it for my video. Just I've had a few people tell me that I've been lacking on content for new videos. But you know, life goes on. Like this isn't my main thing. Like I still work, I still have like family, friends, you know, I still have a life. But just stay tuned and I'll keep bringing out videos. Don't know when the next one is. I'm still thinking about it, but just stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.